Right, let us move to the next one. Good evening. Venkata Srinivas, you are in which time zone, my dear student? Which time zone you are? Which time zone you are? So, because he is thinking celebrations, right? Morning when I'm coming to my class 6:30 in my colony, some youth like you, they want us every year they will celebrate. They will celebrate. This year also, every year they will celebrate, but this year also they want to celebrate. One person came to me when I'm coming out, removing gate, and I'm coming. One person came and donate something, all collecting something. Hey, what you have done 2025, you are doing tomorrow for tomorrow purpose. They are collecting. What achievement you have done? Or which year you? What are you doing? We take first year CSC. I asked a question. Okay, I just want to make a joke with him. First is subject important, later celebration important. You know C language, right? What is the use of while loop? I asked. He went off. He went off. Even I'm saying money I will give me. No, he went off. Their friends are already expected this. They expect. They know me. Don't know anything, and then celebrations, so cake cutting, that this, etc. Right? And one more also is there. I went to yesterday one function night. I went to one function, Shamshabad. You know Shamshabad near airport. So uh, uh, one of the engineering college director, one of the engineering college director, chairman of the engineering college. I know him from last 15 years onwards. He invited me. I went there. Mayfair Convention Hall. Anybody knows that area? There I went. So I was there for a long time, and their college faculties, the chairman, because how I know him, I'll tell you what is an incident. Then from there onwards, he will be touch with me. So they are big people, political people. So then he introduced his faculty members also. So any advices from my side at the end of it, a lot of time. Any advices to the faculty members? What I advised them. So before advice, I want to know what they know. So so that is done. So let us start our subject first. SK, sir, today is the last day to enroll for Django. Other Django. Actually, Django is like a guitar. It is developed by one scientist who is playing a guitar. So how guitar is easy to play. So like that, you need to learn like that only. So jolly way you need to learn. Why things are becoming very difficult. If you know how to pay the school fees for your relatives, if you know the system of paying the school fees in the school, that example will make you to understand the Django very well. Actually, Django is a dead easy. Settings.py, urls.py, manage.py, starting the server, MVT architecture, MVC architecture, Java, MVT architecture, the Django will follow. Okay. So coming to that. So 7:30 batch to I want to wait for your batch at 11 a.m. It's difficult to understand after learning from you. Please consider Django batch at 11 a.m. Same time, sir, please. My dear student SK. So you are all working people. So you know, right? So, Muhammad Nadi. Maybe. So fine. So, but hard to understand the teaching from other batch. Okay. So, hmm, Right. Into that. See, handsome looking will be coming. Handsome or not handsome, that is not a point. Subject should be handsome. That is important. I feel always like that. I say always one thing. All of you read the notes like very handsome. You read your notes 8 to 9 hours. You look in a mirror, you will look like very handsome. There is no doubt in that. Do one day. Okay? Start off. Shall we start off? Right. No, no. గర్ల్స్ ఎవరో చెప్తున్నారు నో అని. ఎవరో చెప్పారు బాయ్స్ లో కూడా గుండు అంటూ ఉంటాడు, గుండు ఉంటాడు అవరు. స్టాండ్ అప్. నీ వాయిస్ నాకు బాగా గుర్తుంటుంది. కళ్యాణి, గౌరవ్, మహేష్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. డిజాంగో డిజాంగో. నువ్వే కదా చెప్పింది నో అని. ఆ? నువ్వే కదా. మళ్ళీ నాకు చెప్తావా నువ్వు? నాకు మన స్టూడెంట్స్ అంటే అంత ఇష్టం. ఐ లైక్ మై స్టూడెంట్స్ దట్ మచ్. ఐ లైక్ ఐ రిమెంబర్ everybody స్టూడెంట్ టోన్. ఈవెన్ ఈవెన్ ఐ డిడ్ నాట్ స్పీక్ టు గర్ల్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ గర్ల్ స్పీక్ ఐ విల్ రికగ్నైజ్. దట్ ఈస్ మై కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఆన్ మై స్టూడెంట్స్. కూర్చో. సో నౌ మహేష్, ఐ లైక్ యువర్ వాయిస్. ఓకే. సో నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఐ I will practice a song and I will come and sing a song. I'll sing a song in front of you. Okay, come. Hey, I'll go to what? Bar plot. Bar plot, I will take it. Students, now concentrate on this bar plot. So now I'm going to take it. Bar plot importance. Stacked bar plot. Let me move to the further students. Bar plot. So bar plot types, I will tell you. Easy. Bar plot types. There are two types of bar plots are there. One is called what? Horizontal bar plot. Horizontal bar plot. Next is called what? Vertical bar plot. First I will write vertical bar plot. Vertical bar plot. Vertical bar plot. This is called types. The bar plot converted into stacked bar plot. Bar plot only converted into stacked bar plot. What is the purpose of bar plot and all those things? I'll explain. So bar plot can be converted programmatically into what? Stacked bar plot. Important students. Into stacked bar plot. Stacked bar plot. Stacked bar plot. There also what will be happening? There also two types are there. One is called what? Come on. Stacked. Come on. Stacked vertical bar plot. Next, stacked horizontal bar plot. How many types of bar plots overall? Four. Number one, vertical bar plot, horizontal bar plot, stacked vertical bar plot, stacked horizontal bar plot. Online students. So let us move to the further. Stacked bar plot, how to create it. All these things I will go for it. In order to go for bar plot, we use the function called plt.bar off. plt.bar, not other bar. Bar means bar. So bar. Here I am taking x comma y. What are the next? Observations are on x-axis and y is observations on right. Good. Now I'm going to take it plt dot bar h bar h. What is that now? X comma y. What is that h stands for? Simple. And extra what will be coming, student? Color for bars also will be coming. Color for bar. Next is called what? Labels. Labels. That is called what? Makeup related activity. Makeup related activity, I will show the visualization directly. I'll show the makeup related activity. So bar H is going to give you which one? Horizontal bar plot. How to make use of this bar H and bar off for stacked vertical bar plot, stacked horizontal bar plot? I will go for it. Shall I take the problem directly? Right. Take an example. You have written in a school. You are a student in the school. You have written unit test 1. You have written unit test 1, U1, U1. And you have written unit test 2. You have written quarterly examination. You have written unit test 3. You have written unit test 3. You have written half yearly examination. You have written unit test 4. You have written annual examination. What these are all called? Categories of your values. And each kind of thing, you will be having what? Some score you will get or not, percentage you will get it. Percentage of marks you will get it. So they are showing this entire thing in the form of visualization. So you can go for line graph also, no problem. But better to go for what? Bar plot. So even your parent is coming to the parents meeting, what they will see? Will they open the mark sheet and see? No. For quick understanding the performance of the student, they will go for what? Bar plot. So how they will do? How they will do? These are called percentages are there. These are all called what? Categorical data. Categorical data this is. And percentage is going to be available something like this. Some number of percentages are available like this. And U1, it is going to be the percentage is like this. You got it. And U2 almost you got the similar percentage, still little higher. And then next quarterly examination will be like this. And next is called a unit test 3 will be like this. And you half yearly examination again you are having more. And unit test also you are getting more. And annually you are going to be getting still more. And by seeing this, one can understand that student is a good student. This is going to visualize what is your performance in the school. Are you getting it? So these are known as what? These are known as what? Come on, bars. Plotting on x-axis, y-axis, x-axis vertically. That's why it is known as what? Vertical bar graph we can call. The same type of thing you can also say like this. These are all called percentages, ma. These are all called what? Unit test related. They are going to represent the bars like this also. They are representing the bars like this also. This is the vertical to the y-axis they are keeping. This is known as what? Horizontal bar graph. So we will see with a normally only. This is going to be called as what? Horizontal bar graph. So horizontal bar graph, vertical bar graph will contain what? Bars will be there. You can set the bar width also. Bar width also you can specify. This is known as what? Width of the bar. Width is also one parameter. Color of the bar also you can mention, ma. Color of the bar also you can mention. X comma, Y comma, width comma, color comma, labels comma, everything you can specify. Legend also you can specify. All those things I'll say. Now what about this is going to be called? When you come to what? Horizontal bar graph. What will be there? Here width will not be there. What will be there? Height will be there. What this is called? Height. Are you following me? This is called height. Height is a parameter in where? Bar H. Width is a parameter in where? Bar. Color, all those things will be same. Are you following? So shall we go for the implementation now? So now I am going to introduce. So how many types of bar graphs are there? Four types. Spell out. Vertical bar graph, horizontal bar plot, stacked vertical bar plot. Right. Online students, is it clear, ma? Is this concept is clear? Now I'm going to enter into the examples. You see, direct coding examples I will go and you will easily catch my points. So notes I'm going to show, bar plot, description I'm going to show. Start. So based on my description, you can easily understand. Right or not? Yes. Next is called what are known as what? Bar graph or bar charts. The bars are drawn uniform width. Uniform width. That means one bar will be small, another bar will not be more or something. And variable quantity is represented on one axis. So 2019, 2020, 2021, 22, they are called what? Years, right? And a number of placements coming in a college is called what? Bar height, and bar height will be shown. Also, measure the variable depicted on the other axis. If I see the example, I will read out this point once again. The heights and length of the bars denote the value of the variable 2019 versus its placement, 2020 versus its number of placements, 22 versus its number of placements. Is the bars width is same, but height will be different or not? Yes. And these graphs are also used to compare certain quantities. Unit test 1, unit test 2, which test I got more marks. You'll come across. This frequency distribution table can be used easily represented using bar charts. To simplify the calculations, understanding the data. Types of bars, two types, vertical bar graph, horizontal bar graph. Vertical bar graph. What is this vertical bar graph? I said grouped data represented vertically in the graph or chart, help of the bars, denote the measure of the data. Subgraphs are called what? Such graphs are called what? Vertical. So x-axis vertical it is known as this one. Horizontal to the y-axis or horizontal to the x-axis is known as what? Horizontal bar graph. This is all very simple. Once you know the coding, this is done. Let's start. Implementation of each graph, bar graph. Start the implementation. What is the function name I said? plt.bar x comma y. Width is equal to what? Numerical value. Color is equal to what? Color name. So this width, color name, these are all called what? Optional. But what are the compulsory? This is for which graph? plt.bar h x comma y. As I said, height is a parameter, numerical value. Color is equal to color name for which graph? Directly. Start. Here, example 1. In a firm, that is in an organization, how many employees are there? 400 employees. The percentage of monthly salary saved by each employee is given in the following table, represented through a bar graph. Come on. Savings in percentage. 20% they will save. How many people? 105. Number of employees are going to save. 105 employees will save 20%. 193 people will save 30%. 29 people will save 40%. 73%, 73 people will save what? 50%. How much you want to save? How much you want to save? 80%. Who is that? You. So eating, bike, all those things, no? Car, good. So that is very good. As on today, some of the techies, they're spending total money. When the layoff started, they're trying to save something. What is there? Everything over. So initial stages, you need to save more. Understand? So don't spend your income too much on unnecessary things. Buying mobile phones. Mobile phones with 50,000, 60,000, 70,000 is waste of time. So take one small phone. So let us take care about it. Now I'm going to say next step. Draw a bar chart for an year and the number of students placed. Vertical bar as well as what? 2020. How many? 120. 2021. How many? These are our problems. How to represent this kind of things? I'm going to start here. Shall I start up? So now I'm going to implement this kind of thing. How do you represent this data, ma? How do you represent this data? Start with in the form of what? ND array. In the form of what? Right. So you like go for this. I will go to this example. I will start. So online students, did you understand more? Is this problem is clear? Now I will go for implementing. So don't take too much time and I will start here. Let me go to it. So online students, come. So now I will take it. Problem I will keep it. Concept you need to know. Then you need to know implementation. Then we can start writing it. Put your problem here. So this is going to be like this. In a form, this is all just given below. This is your data and this is a given problem, students. Here also, go to this place. Given problem I am taking as this. Coming to this place, here I will implement. Start. I will go for what? Savings, number of employees, frequencies, all these things I need to go for it. In this, what is the grouped data, ma? What is the grouped data here? Number of employees, savings. Come on. Number of employees, savings. Number of, right. So start here. So I'm going to take it. How do you implement? By using ND array. It's up to you, whatever you want. Start with. So code for what? Vertical bar graph. First approach. I'll go for by using what? ND array object. Start. Import numpy as np from matplotlib. Matplotlib import pyplot. Import what? Pyplot. Okay. As plt. Are you butifying or what? Huh? Girls, keep your mobiles in the back because when you make it fall down, that mirror will go. Again, your parents' burden. Again, you will ask new phone. Again, 30,000, 40,000. Keep your back mobiles in the bag first. Within the bag only. Right. Now come to the point place. Matplotlib PLT. Now I'm going to start. Come on, say number of employees is equal to number of employees. Number of employees is equal to, come on, np dot array of np dot array of how much? 105, 105, comma 193, comma 193, comma 29, comma 73, 73. So next I will go for what? One more kind of thing. What is this now? Savings. So savings array is equal to, I will go for this one. Mm, I will take it as 20, comma 30, comma 40, comma 50. 50. So I will go for writing it. Start. What do I write it? plt dot bar of number of employees, comma number of employees, comma what? Savings. Save. So I will say here plt dot show off. So it is going to show you. So no name would called what? Matplotlib. Matplotlib. So now I will go for showing you this entire data here. Are you seeing this now? So here you try to see the students. So this is the data which is going to have something like this. It is going to be. So I will go for changing this little bit like this. Save comma. What is this now? Number of employee. Number of employee. That is also there, but more meaningful things I want to give it. So x-axis 20%. 20% is saved by how many people? You see between this 100 to 125. What is the interval, ma? 25. 25. So it is almost 105. 105. If you look at that. 30. 30 if you take it. 30% of the people are going to be saved by what? How many? 193 people. Almost close to what? 200. Next is called what, students? 40. 29. 40. 40 is the one. Saved by what? 25. Little above. Little above. Next is called what? 50. 50% is saved by what? 73 members. Are you following this? If you want, you can increase your width of this also. You can increase your width also here. How do you go for this? You can go to bar plot. What is this now? Width is equal to some 5, and color is equal to something like, huh? So you go for this. You go for this. Is it width is increased or not? Width is equal to color is equal to. You enjoy whatever the colors you like it after that. So try to understand. Is it okay? This is about which type of implementation? Bar plot. Last and final, I will take the same implementation in what way I want. Through what? By using data frame object. By using data frame object. Come on. I will go to the same mechanism. Number of employees is equal to, or I can say D is equal to, come on, is equal to, number of employees is equal to, I'm going to write it, colon, I will write like this. Is it clear, ma? Comma. One more is called what? Save. Save is equal to, save colon. I will take it as what? This one I am writing it. What is this is called? Dictionary. What is this? Dictionary. In the dictionary, what I am taking? Key. And then key. Is it a key or not? So let me take this as a key like this. Save is called what? Key like this. Convert into what? Data frame. Come on, I forget how to convert it. DF is equal to PD dot data frame of, come on, D. Good. So print of, I will import. Importing colon అవన్నీ తర్వాత. So content of, because already you know content of what? DF. Content of DF. Online students. So feel more relaxed of this. It is dead easy for you because you are feeling very simple. Go to our favorite student answer. Import pandas as what? PD. What is PD, NP, PLT? Alias names to the modules. Alias names to the modules. Let us have this bar. So how do you do it, ma? DF of what? DF of what? Save. DF of save. Okay. Next, DF of what? Number of employees. Number of employees. Are you following me? That's all. So you'll get in the same information. This is also one more way. Are you following me? You can take it as what? Of course, indirectly, DF of save, DF of this one, or which type? Series type only. Series type only. Print of these things are which type? Type of this one. From data frame only, I'm fetching one column. Now I'm going to take df of one kind of thing like this. So you are getting what type? Series type only. Data frame I'm getting separately, I'm going to get it. Is it clear? Yes. So done. Last and final, same data, I can go for in the form of what? CSV file. Any format it is coming, you must able to do the graphing. Are you okay? Online students, is it clear, ma? Come on, students. First step. Now I will go to one more kind of thing. I will go to what is the next one? CSV file you create, ma. What is this? Number of employees, comma, save. So what is the data we are having here? So I will get it. This I will get it. This data I will try to get for my confirmation small purpose. What is this? 105, comma, 193, comma, 29, comma, 73. This is the number of employees. What about the save? 20. Next is called what? 30. Next 40, 50. 50. Are you following me? Simple CSV file. Save it. So here I will go for E colon 11 a.m. In that I will go for it. So employee save dot what file? CSV. Either you can put it into double quotes or you can go for what? All files. It is your choice, whatever you like it. Say save. Okay. Go to this place, ma. Here I will write it. Start the same to same. I'll carry these students. I'll carry this now. Online students. So I'm going to write it. The same thing. NumPy not necessary actually. I will go to data frame. So this part I will remove, ma. df is equal to, I forget. I forget. pd dot beautiful. Read underscore what? CSV. Read underscore CSV off like that. Now you need to pass what? Absolute path. Can I? Yes. Where is it? E colon. I will bring it. Pratiskusannani. I will bring from here. So this is the place. Here I am having employees save, right? So emp save dot etc. So here I will write it. Emp save dot what? CSV. Okay. Content of the. Okay. Fine, fine. So here I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. Try to take care of this. Done. In this place like this, content of df, I want to print the df here. Print of df I want to print. Then same df of save, df of number of employees, same type of data. Which is giving of the data, what is given. Is it the same kind of content is coming or not? So all the three approaches, any one of the approach is available. You must be ready to do it. Is it clear? Right, online students, now it is clear. Now I will go for which one? Horizontal bar plot. Can I? Any one of the approach I will do, you do all of you. Take the same thing, take the same thing, start. Hmm. Only one line you change it. What is that? Bar H. Bar H. Anything you want to change? Very good. Height. Height is equal to, color is equal to same. So you see that, is it becoming the same or not? Yes. The same bars will be coming horizontal. Getting? So online students, this is not only here, you can also get it in this format of like this. In this dictionary format also you can get it. Clear? I think you will do other series data you can do by using dictionary format. But you can do what? ND array also you can do. Go to our example. Back to this. Back to our example, ma. So let us, is it clear? Right. Now look at this also. Let us look at also draw a bar plot for number of students placed here. So last and final, quickly I will do it and I will move to the further. Of course, it is also very easy for you, nothing difficult. So I'm going to take up, I will go for this. Little importance I want to tell you over here. Now I'm going to take it. How I'm going to take it, you just watch it more. So there I will take it. This is the one vertical and horizontal bar plot. So try to get it. So now how do you do this now? Years is equal to, start any one of the approach. Years is equal to number of students placed it. Directly I'll write it. So I will carry some importing here. So I'll directly go. Hmm. So here I'm going to write it. Come on, import numpy as np, import numpy as np from matplotlib, matplotlib as matplotlib import pyplot as plt. Come on, plt. Okay, that is coming. I will take it, students. Years is equal to, years is equal to, I'm taking in the form of, instead of numerical values, numerical quantity also can be taken in the form of string. 2020, I'm not doing any operation on it. 2020 is for x-axis to represent. 2021, I'm going to write it. 2021, I'm going to write it. Next, 2022, I'm going to write it. 2022. 2022. Comma, what I'm going to write? 2023. I'm going to write it. This is called np dot. np dot what? Array of list values converted into this. Next is called what? placed. Number of students placed. Number of students placed is equal to np dot array of 120, 200. Next is called 175. Next is called what? 100. So this is also one more thing. And I want to draw that kind of thing. How do I write it? plt dot bar of years comma number of student, number of stud. So I will write it, comma, width is equal to something like a 5, width is equal to 5, color is equal to blue, color is equal to blue. So I set color is equal to blue. So plt dot what? Show. So you'll be getting, what is this? So it is going to be width is equal to, you remove the width once and try to run this. So it is going to show, right? Width problem. So width is a big problem over there. It is mixed together. It is mixing together. Are you following this? So it is going to be the width is equal to something. Now I'm going to conclude this conclusion. So bar plot is here. If you want to go for what? Years, you see, years is an x-axis and the number of students. How do you go for the bar horizontal? Bar h I will take it. Bar h I will take it. So this is going to be the bar h. Clear? Right. So this is a bar h bar. All these things is done. Online students, is it clear for both of you? All the students, is it clear? Now I'm entering into horizontal bar plot, vertical bar plot, Now I'll go for stacked bar plot I want to show. Shall we? Right. Open the notes, all of you, because that is an important. Once our student got this as a written test question, not this year, 3, 4 years back when Matplotlib is in full swing. Draw a stacked bar plot. Draw a stacked bar plot. Draw a stacked bar plot for the following. Draw a stacked bar plot for the following. All the students in online, please open it and then do it. Now I'm going to take up students. Here I will write it. Here only I will write it. Stacked bar plot. Stacked bar plot. I'm going to take it. Here I will write it. Take care. Year. Write down. This problem you write down. Years. Next is called what CSC. Next is called what IT. Next is called IT. Next is called ECE. Next is called what mechanical, MEC. Year. I'm going to write it 2019. CSC students placed is called what 2019. First I will write 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2022. So under CSC, we are having 70, 70. Next is called 40. Next is called 60, some data. Next is called something 80. Next I'm having IT, 30, 20, 20. And next is called 25, 25. And this is called 35, 35. ECE when you come, 20, 19, 20, 18, 18. Next mechanical when you come, 12, 15, 15. And next is called what? 6, 6 and 18. For example, this is our data, students. Now I need to implement. how you can implement. That is the main important thing here. Are you following me now? So how you can take it, that is an important. How many ways are there to represent this? Four ways. You know, what is that first way? End array. Next, series, data frame. Right. Say something. Yes. No, say something I am saying. No, no. Sit down. You speak out. A problem written, na? Problem written. How many columns are there in your problem? How many columns are there? Four, five, six. How many? Five. How many rows? Hmm? Four or five? Four. Speak out. At least I want to make you to speak out. So can I go to CSV file? So you can represent in data frame, dictionary, taking dictionary and then converting. Shall go for what? CSV file. Online students, be careful, mom. So I'm going to CSV file, students. Here I'm taking normal text. Here I will write what? Years, comma, CSC, comma. I will write what? IT, comma. Next is called what? Mechanical, comma. Then after that what? 70. Next is called all these things you need to write it here. So all of you need to do after going to home this data set you take it. Sample data you take it. So here I'm going to take this values. You take this data. Next, taking this 2021, all these things separated by commas. Okay. 2022 having 80. Next is called 35. Next is called 18. Next is called another value called 18. Are you able to follow now, students? This is completed. This is called which one I am saving it? Go to this place. E colon 11M KVR numpy 11M. So I am going to take it year placements dot what? CSV dot CSV. Take it as what? All files and say save. So now I will get it. This entire thing, I will take this years placements, everything is available. In this case, years placements Microsoft Office, comma separated file. So if you want to open it, once you can check it, these are the number of students and values are available. Right, and now I will go to this place, students. Now I'm going for, these are all called what? Vertical. They are all vertical and horizontal bar plot. Now I will go for what? Stacked. So this is Matplotlib, Matplotlib, hmm, bar plots, bar plots. So next I will go to the implementation here. So there I am going for implementing, hmm, implement this problem. I want to implement this problem with what? Stacked bar plot, stacked bar plot for your understanding purpose. Come on. Implementation of stacked bar plot. How it looks like first I am going to stacked bar plot. Stacked bar plot. Already you know what is meant by stacking. Do you know stacking? H stack, V stack, our data frame also merging, row wise merging, column wise merging. I filled with spaces, horizontal filling I shown. Horizontal stacking means what? Considering what? Horizontal stacking in H stack, V stack, what we considered? Rows. V stack considers what? Columns. Already said, still you are thinking. So go to this place. Here, what is the bar here? Stacked horizontal bar plot. Stacked horizontal bar plot. Vertical this now first step. Vertical I will take it. Vertical bar plot. For example, this is called my graph, students. On this top of it, On this top of it, what is the first one is coming? CSE will come. On the top of CSE, what I want to place it? IT I want to place it. On the top of IT, I want to place what? ECE. On the top of ECE, I want to place what? Mechanical. This is called stacking or not? Actually, this is all comes under stacking means keeping one on the top of it. That is called vertical stacking. This is the CSC. Adjacent to that, I'm keeping what? IT. Adjacent to that, I'm keeping what? ECE. Adjacent to that, I'm keeping what? That is called what? Horizontal stacking. So there is some code is there. That code you need to learn. That's all. Shall we start? Come on, students, online students. Now I'm going to take it. This data, this part pandas, I will take it. From here, I will take it. Up to here, I will take it because it is a easy. That's why I'm copying and pasting here. This part I'm going to take. What is this now? Year placements. Years placements. Not CSV. First, you ensure that data printed or not. Data printed or not. Any spelling mistake? Years. Years, year, years. Okay. Years data is printed. Content of DF. This is a data getting printed. Correct. How do you get the years? DF of years, DF of CSE, DF of IT, DF of ECE, like that you will get it. What happens there? Why backslash T? Space is there. Yes. Yes. So save it. So this you save it, students. Okay. Let me remove that. Close it. Then say once it is open, na, it cannot accept that. So now you try to re-execute once again. You are going to get the data like this. Okay, now I need to plot. I need to plot. What is our plotting? Stacked vertical bar plot. Okay. So that's nice. We are getting the content. Okay, nice. I will go for implementing it. How do you implement, mom? How do you implement? Okay, then part by part division. We'll go for first CSC versus what? Years. How do you write it? Bar plot for years and CSC. CSC. How do you write it? I forget. PLT dot. Any of PLT is available. Come on. Bar of years, comma, years, comma, DF of what? Years. Years. Okay, good. Come on, next. DF of what? Hmm? Very good. CSC. I will take it as what? CSC. CSC. So CSC you can take it. Are you following me? DF of. Yeah. DF of CSC. You can write like this. What is happening because of that? You see 20 like this you are getting it. And these kind of things you need to convert into which type? STR type you can take it. By default, what values these are all taken? Come on, come on. By default, they are taken as a float. Float. I need to take it as what? Do you know how to typecast it? How do you typecast? I forget. I forget. Come on. Kutte as type and Modu years is equal to df of years, df of years dot as type of what? STR. Of what? STR or string of STR. STR. So we will write str or string, df of string. So try to do it. Check that. Check it. Df of years, df of years dot what? D type. What is that? Yes, I got it. I got it. Now you go for it. Which one is that? df dot plt dot plot of df of what? Years. df of what? Years, comma. What is the next step? df of what? CSE. CSE. Done. Yes. Muddu, bar కాదు, plt.bar. Bar means I'm thinking outside. So you are getting the data 2019. Are you getting me? Yes. That spontaneity is important. That conversion is spontaneity is important. That spontaneity will come when you read the notes so thoroughly. Got it up? Right. This is called which plot? Come on. And this is going to come four artists. Are you seeing this? What are the four artists and four bars? So in order to not to get it, you will simply say what? plt dot show. plt dot what? Show. So that will not be coming. You may ask a question, sir, is it only four ways? Is there any other way? ND array object I set, data frame I set, series I set, CSV file I set. Sir, is it the, suppose this is NumPy and the next is called pandas. Suppose if we are learning tomorrow Power BI, their Power BI may not be, for example, this type of information is not there. Simply it is supporting Python, for example. Is it supporting list all those things? Yes, it can support. That means the same data, what you have represented with which concept? CSV file. You can also happily takes the same data with what also? List also you can take it. Can I show you with list? So you can, this is already you know how to do it. With list also I will show you. Anyhow, you know how to deal with the as type of everything you know that I already taught to you. This information you can take in the form of what? List. So how do you take that? The same implementation, already you know, anyway, I've shown you once again here. Implementation with a list I will show you. With list I will show you. What is the first list I need to take? So first list I need to take it what? Years. So I will take here. Come on. Years is equal to, come on, 2019. 2019. Next, 2020. 2021. Next is called a 2022. Okay now. Next is called what? CSE is equal to the values of CSE I need to take it. 70, 40, 60, 80. So I will take it 70, 40, 60, 80. 80. Next, IT is equal to IT I will take it 30, 20, 25, 35. So 20, 30, 25, 35. 35. Next is what? ECE. ECE is equal to. ECE is equal to. I will take it as what? 2019. 2019. 2019. 2018. 18. Mechanical is equal to. Mechanical is equal to 12, 15, 6, 18. 12, 15, 6, 18. Like this I'm having. Are you getting me? So these are all purely traditional Python objects. So how do you do that? PLT dot simple implementation. PLT only this part I will take it. This part only I will take. Simply, come on, what is this? Plot of mm, bar of bar of come on, years comma CSE, years comma CSE. PLT dot what? Show. PLT dot show. Is it the same answer will come or not? No. Now, my requirement is I want to go for keeping on the top of it. Which one? Come on, IT. On the top of it, I will keep it what? Easy. On the top of it, I will keep it what? Very good. Now I'm going to enter. Be careful, students. Now I'm going to take it. Continuation part. Final diagram you will come across slowly. Next. Okay. is CSC, you are going to go for it. CSC plot with years. Now IT plot I am going to do. Is an IT bar plot you want or stacked bar plot you want? Stacked bar plot. For that, I am going to write plt.bar. Same, years only. Years only. Next, what you are writing? IT. Very good. IT. IT bottom what? CSC. There is an attribute called bottom. Spell out bottom. Bottom. Why bottom is coming? For implementing which bar, which plot? Stacked bar plot. Stacked vertical bar plot. You tell me this is called what? CSC kada. What is this one? You are directly taking IT. IT means what? IT bottom is what? CSC. Are you following me? Okay. So bottom is equal to what ma? CSC. Bottom is equal to CSC. You are writing CSC here. Are you following? So let us watch this now, students. Try to run this now. You see what is happening now. On the top of it, something is coming or not? See what is the actual value of this CSC? 70. 70 plus what? 20. 70 plus 20 is what? This is called actually up to here is called 70. 70 plus 20, is it called 90 or not? Right. What is the parameter I am using? Bottom. These things are very important. Automatically colors will be coming automatically from the Matplotlib only. Getting me? Very good. Online students, are you okay? Is this attribute is clear, mom? Is the bottom attribute is clear? Quick response from everybody. Right, good. Let us move to the top of. Next, what I want to do? What is the next? ECE. ECE. I will go for ECE. ECE is on the top of what? No, it is not only on the top of IT, it is also on the top of what? అంటే 70 kada, 70 is what called what? CSE. 20 is called what? 20, 20 is called what? That means a total bar width I need to take. 90 top is what? Right. So what is that 90? CSE value, CSE first value, ECE first, IT first value. That combined together value on the top is what? PCE. Now I'm going to write a one beautiful logic. So I need to calculate what? I need to calculate how many years are there? 4 years. First year, what value to be summed here? 70 plus 20. That is called what? 90. That 90 is called what? Starting point of what? ECE. Next, 40 plus 30 is the starting point of what? ECE. 60 plus 25 is what? 85. Is the starting point of what? Very good. 80 plus 35, 105. 105 is called the starting point of what? 18. 150, no, 125 or something. Get the logic over there. How to get that logic? That I'm going to write it. Are you following me? I will carry this. I'll carry this. One beautiful logic I will write it. What is the beautiful logic you see? That is going to be called, in this case, before that, now I am going to write ECE start. ECE underscore start. ఎక్కడి నుంచి start అవ్వాలి ECE underscore start? I will use one comprehension technique, student. Comprehension. Do you know comprehension? List comprehension, set comprehension, etc. Come on now. For I in range of LEN of years. Years, na? LEN of what? Years. Years. How many years? 4 years. What is the value of I? 0. Next one, 1. 0th year. 0th year, first year, second year, third year. 4 years. 0 starting from. Once it is a 0, I will apply what? CSC of 0. CSC of I. What is the CSC of I? 70. Plus IT of I. What is the value? 20. How much? 90 is the starting point of ECE start or not? Yes. What I should do? CSE of I plus IT of what? IT of I. That is going to be kept in where another list or not? Yes. I think you are following me. Start now. Tell me now. PLT dot bar of years, comma, ECE, ECE, comma, bottom is equal to, come on, ECE, start, very good, super, good, good understanding. So ECE start from where? From bottom values of ECE start. Did you understand? Yes. So see students, what happens? Closing bracket for LEN and range కూడా లేదు. So range of is not there. Or simply go for what? Range. That's all. Range of is also there now. Why length unnecessary? Or I will go to, okay, require. LEN of this range is here. Now, it's okay now? Now you see, got it? Getting or not? Yes, what is this now? 90. On the top of 90, what is coming? Entadi, how much is that? 20. 90 plus 90 plus 20. 110. Are you getting or not? Last point you take it. 80 plus 35. 1 not 115. 115. Is it 115 means very close to 120 or not? So on the top of it, how much is that? What is the value? That is nothing but what? 18. 18. Are you following me? This is the data we are getting. Which one I used it? Comprehension concept. These logics are important. What is the mechanical start? CSC of I plus IT of I, EC of I. On the top of it, who will come? Mechanical will come. Understood? So I'll write the mechanical part also. Same thing. I will go for this. Mechanical part, I will write it. Okay. I forget. Next. Mechanical start. Mechanical underscore start is equal to. Come on, directly. And carry the HID. So I'll carry this. Plus ECE of I. So let us write PLT dot bar of years, comma, MEC, comma, bottom is equal to MEC start. MEC and first. Okay, got it. Perfect. So what is the other color is taking? Is it other color is taking or not? So you need not to worry about the color management here. Automatically colors will be selected by the Matplotlib only. So this is the logic you need to worry about it. This is an implementation of what? Stacked bar plot. Bar vertical. Vertical. Shall we implement horizontal? Just here, what is the parameter? Bottom. What is the below to the bottom? EC bottom is called what? CSC. IT bottom is CSC. EC bottom is what? IT values plus CSC values. Here I will go to, which implementation? Come on, stacked horizontal bar plot. Horizontal bar plot. Okay. Simply go to that. Everything same. Bar. First one I will go for what? Bar H. Split. Bar H. Okay. Next is called what? Bar H. What should I write it? Bottom I should not write. What should I write? Taylor. This is the one. You see, ma. Once you see. This is the one CSC. And this is the one I need to take it. What is this is called IT. IT ki left side ఏముంది? CSC. ECE left side what is there? IT plus CSC. ECE left side what? Mechanical left side is what? This one. That is the ECE start and mechanical start you learned or not? That is a vertically or horizontally same count will be there. Okay. So what is the bottom place? What is an attribute? That's all. That's all. These are very important parameters. Left. So I'm going to write the parameter name called left. So happy. So hmm, yes, bar h, bar h I need to write, bar h I need to write. So you are going to get the bar h, same implementation or not? Yes. These logics are very important. Are you getting it? So once you know these parameters, coloring and all, you don't give much preference, right or not? No much preference will be given. So if at all you need any legend related also you need to take it. Legend related also you can take it. What is the legend, ma? I will write it. So I will write it here. Something like legend. After this is concerned, I will go for legend also. I will give you. Are you first of all following this? These are main important things, students. These are main important things, and you are following this. Online students, are you there, ma? Is it clear? Respond all of you. So only few people are responding. All of them are not responding. So you can go to. Of course, this is a important. One of our student got this discussion and go to the implementation now. See with the same intention. You try to watch it. Go to our location once and say Matplotlib bar plot once you go, and this is the notes and examples on bar implementation you have seen. It's first diagrammatic representation. This also you have seen it, and this is represented here. And go to examples on bar plot. Here I am going to take it. Look at now. Some examples coding related. What is this now? X. Apples, kiwi, strawberry, mango. What is the quantity of apples he is selling? 40. Kiwi, 20. Strawberry, 35. Mango, 23. Bar plot to be drawn. So, apples will be in which axis? X axis. Y axis will be called what? Number of values. Next, some color is equal to what? Dark blue. Presentation logic. And I need not to go for it. Very, very important here. This is an important example. To draw bar graph, use this one. Each color, each bar, one color you want to set. Actually, that is not recommended. Recommended. Like some people will keep some white color to the hair. Normal. Suppose you are there. White hair will not be coming. After 40 years, you will get some white hair. That time, what you will do? Like cricketers పెట్టుకుంటారు కదా something. Even some girls also will keep in TV anchoring time and all. Like that, colors is not important here. Red is equal to. You want to see this example once you see. Go to this place. Here I am going to take up. In this place, you observe it. This is not at all necessary. Don't try to concentrate more about your colors. Are you seeing? This is apple color. Different colors are going to be taken up. You can take different color. Or you can take colors is equal to you take it. Color is equal to what? Colors. This list of values you can take it. Are you following? So let us move to the further. Here I am going to take it like this. Width is equal to what? 0.5. Already you know width. Next is called what? Apples. Here colors. ఇక్కడ నేను ఒక చూపిస్తాను మీకు. One more thing I want to show. Legend is also there. Legend is also there. See that. Labels is equal to apples, kiwis, etc. Label is equal to what? Labels. What is the label here? To show the legend. After using label, you can show what? PLT dot legend. So you can take it here. Here you can take it. Is the legend is coming on the right side or not? Like that. You can also take to your subject. You can also take to your subject. Legend also you can take it. Legend also you can take it. For your implementation, legend also you can take it. Here like this. What is the legend point? Here you will take it. As legend is taking this type of labels, labels we are taking it. Go to this place. Here I will write it in this place. Here labels is equal to what I will take? CSC. Next is called what? IT. Next is called what? ECE. ECE. Next is called what? Something like MES. Mechanical here. And here you will write it left and labels. And see the labels is used in only one place we are using that label. And only one place only we are having this. Only one place. In this place, what I will write it, something like last one. Labels is equal to what? Label is equal to what? Labels. Labels. And plt dot what? Legend. Legend. So there I'm going to take it. So this you see, legend is going to come. Labels not defined. So you are going to get it. This type of labels. Are you getting it? So what is coming here? So I need to write. Okay, 1 minute. Labels is equal to. I will write it. Color is equal to. Color is equal to. This is going to be coming to each and every one we need to use. The last one is coming, right? CSC is coming. I want to get it labels. If I use here, think multiple times it is coming. So here, I think I need to mention different colors. I hope so. Different colors. We need to mention it. Color is equal to. hmm, I will set it. Here I will go for, or I will take like this. Legend. Label is equal to labels. Labels I will set. So you are going to get it is label. Label is equal to labels. Legend I am going to get it. Here legend is coming, but values are not coming. Okay. 1 minute students. Here I'll go to this place. Maybe I did this example to my students already. I think so. Okay. Let us come back to this place. Here I'm having already legend related. You see here, I need to mention the color also. Color you need to mention. Are you following this? Color you need to mention it. Once you say mentioning this color, it is going to be easy for you to implement it. So in this case, I need to write what? Colors I need to write it. Color is equal to I need to write it. Color is equal to red. Label is equal to CSC. See students, instead of writing that separately, when you are having multiple bar H's are using, mention what? Separate label, separate color, separate color, separate label. Instead of writing labels list, write what? Separate label only. Are you following? Next, you write what? PLT dot legend of, legend of. Now you see. So, what is happening? Years. Years. Where is that years? Okay. Years. So, try to also MEC start. MEC start. MEC start. Okay. So, now you come across this now. Is it coming or not? Yes. So, when you are using only one bar you are using, that time labels will be working for one thing. But when you are using labels for multiple things, specify the color and then what? Label like this. Even you go for that, that is going to be mentioning here. I think legend is also coming. So these are all legend is going to give you the functionality to our application. Since I'm using only one bar graph, so take the list of labels and you can say labels list, say legend. One more thing. After these are all bar H, hot pink. These are all height, all those things, small problems is shown. So I directly went for this type of implementation. Are you following me? Right. Online students, I hope it is clear. Go to this place. In this example, students, some more these examples I already shown you. These problems also, examples on stacked bar plot. It is also going to be the same information might be I copied it. There's a separate year for bottom of this stacked bar plot. Comprehension concept, bottom is equal to, here also bottom is equal to, same example. This is for what? Horizontal. What is the parameter there? Left. Left parameter is taken. Here also, legend also will be taken up here. So label I took it. Even I need not to take the color also, student. You can take without the colors also, you can take it. That implementation already I'm posting to you. In that examples you will come across. So here, whatever the default colors are there, the default color kind of attributes are coming. Are you following me? So this is about concept of which one? Bar plot. Easy or difficult? Easy. What are the functions here? plt.bar of, plt.barh of. That is for implementing horizontal and vertical. So when you come to stacked bar plot, you need to have some calculation part. Starting point is nothing but bottom. First two starts are going to be sum of two bottoms is going to be the third one. The comprehension concept you need to use it. Okay now. So that is bar plot. Tomorrow I will come back. One more kind of thing. Histogram I will tell you. Histogram and scatter plot I will tell you. Histogram plus scatter plot. Both of them I will go for it. So coming to the point of it. Sir, if we want to visualize the data of Hiroshima atomic bombing in 1945 with the temperature differences of different measurement, which plot is used? See, student, how that explosive mechanism is available, how that explosive mechanism is available, what type of data is available, temperature differences and distances. If you take it, you can take go for line plot also. You can take bar plot also to see the density of that bombing. You can take any one of it. You can go for it, either line plot or bar plot. Or there is some more thing is available in Power BI. If we go for it, there are more number of plots are available. Compared to do this, there are more number of plots are available. That also you get depends on our requirement. So I will go to tomorrow class about what? Histogram and scatter plot. I will go for it. Don't miss the tomorrow class. Sorry, coming tomorrow or planning for celebrations. No, no. So you're all good boys and girls, I know. Huh? So it'll be, what is that? After? Ah, okay. After the class, you celebrate. Okay. Right. Reading the Python notes and like that, celebrate. Right. Take care. What is that? So carry on. Tomorrow, don't miss it. Thank you. All the best. Online students, you hold on. If any doubts are there. Today will postpone.